Today on this, guys, we're going to clean up the paint gun. So thanks for stopping by. Thought the episode I'd be uploading today was going to be me painting this truck, but the paint gun kind of got screwed up. So here's what we got going on. I don't use this gun a whole lot. I don't do a whole lot of painting. And the problem with these gravity guns is everything goes to the bottom. So when you're washing out your gun, if you don't have every bit of the clear coat out, it's going to run to the bottom. And really, for how often I'm painting, I should be taking this gun apart one between uses, but I didn't. So we're going to clean it out, and I'm going to show you how to save a dirty gun. So this is what I'm using for a paint gun. It's conventional, which means it's non-hvlp. And hvlps suck unless you're geared up for them, because I'm not geared up for a hvlp gun, so I have to use a conventional gun. It costs a lot of money to gear up, and I just prefer the way a conventional sprays. So this is what I'm using. I paid I think $100 Canadian to the door for this bad boy. It works awesome. I only used it a few times, so for how often I'm painting, it's been enough for me. And this is what I need out of the kit. And let's take this gun apart, clean it up. So this is what I need the box for. Tool to remove the fluid cap. Fluid cap's right here. Pull the trigger back. Remove the cap. Now this trick I'm going to show you, you can use it for any paint gun. So remove that. Remove the fluid needle. It's got some dirt on it. I can't touch my the phone with these thinners on it, so bear with me. And we got all this dirt. I said I only used this gun a handful of times. I didn't have enough thinner to actually clean this gun out properly the last time I used it, so here we are dealing with a mess I made my own. Okay. So, this is what I'm going to use to clean this gun. It's sprayable paint stripper. And before you say, oh no, you're going to ruin the paint, this gets neutralized with water. So, when I'm done with this, I'll spray some water through it. And no, I won't ruin my paint. Oh no! Come on. There we go. Alright, we'll leave that soak. It'll be as good as new. We got our gun, we neutralized it with water, and now start to put it back together. Get some oil on that. Fluid cap. Just hand tight. air cap.